Hello and a huge welcome to this tour of the community portal of Inspire. Let me show you around. Now on your email you will have a link to log into the portal. If you lose this for any reason, go to my website susanyates.co.uk, go to Start Sketching, go to Student Login, and this will take you to this screen here, courses.susanyates.co.uk/login. Use the email address and password that you use to register for Inspire, or if you've done any other courses with me before, click Login. If for any reason you forget it, there is that little forgotten password link underneath the button and it will send you a magic link to your email. Now once you land here, you come onto products, which are essentially courses. And here you will have all of the courses that are included in the Inspire Sketching membership, or any other courses that you have with me that you've purchased in the past. But let's look at the membership. To access it, two ways. You can click on Inspire Membership on the very top navigation, or go to the right hand little button at the top, your profile, where you can click on Community, and that will take you to all the content of Inspire as well. Now here is where you'll find everything. If you're new to Inspire, click on topic number 1, Start Here. And this will provide you with a handy welcome video. So start on this very first video here, and then you can look at all of the other videos that will introduce you and welcome you into the membership, explaining how it works. Once you've done that, I would highly recommend looking at the monthly theme. So these are the topics that we work on for the month, and there's a new one launched on the 1st of every month. The newest one will always be here at the top, which for May 2025 is a guest tutor, watercolour birds theme that we're working on. And then the month before will be underneath that. So it's all in date order, with the newest at the top, the oldest one at the bottom. Every month you get a new sketchbook warm-up exercise, a 5 to 10 minute video that is on something to do with the current month's theme. And this one is a complete list of all the warm-ups ever created over the last 5 years. So if you just want a quick warm-up, you can scroll through this till your heart's content and find lots of different warm-ups. Tutorials is the next section, section number 4, and these are the new tutorials, 3 every month, that are launched as part of that new theme. Again, in date order, newest to oldest. Every month you will find there is a live sketching session held via Zoom. You will get this emailed to you, so you'll have a link to access the live Zoom, and you can access it and join it live. If for any reason you miss this, do not worry, it will always be recorded in its full length, which is usually around an hour, and you can watch these back here at any point, or if you miss half of it, you can watch the other half here. There's lots of other topics with other goodies in. We have Tea with Susan, which are creative mindset discussions, where I talk about a topic to do with creative mindset. There's materials introductions, book reviews, artist interviews, artist of the month, projects and challenges, and older tutorials and themes, which are all down here. So there's an archive of over 5 years worth of content to search through, which you can do by topic, or you can use this handy search facility at the top. So you've got home, you've got members, and then search. Click on search, and here you can type in a word and it will search for a post. So one of these particular tutorials, and any tutorials, for example, with the word doodle in here, will come up. So we have all of the doodling exercises and tutorials in Inspire will come up here. So again, I could search birds or bird, and any tutorials that have that matching in it in the text or in the title, and this will come up. Okay, so let me show you the top right hand navigation up here. So if you click on this little icon at the top, it has my picture, but yours might have your initials. Community is Inspire. Products are all the courses included in the membership or you've bought with me in the past. But settings is your important one. Settings is where you will find the name of your account, so your name, the email you used, your password. You will be able to you'll be able to create a bio, put your photo in, and also manage your notifications. So this will manage when this course platform emails you. So sometimes it will email you when a new post is popped in Inspire. So it will tell you all about when new stuff has arrived. The billing will talk to you about exactly what membership scheme you are on, whether you're on monthly or annual. It will all be here, and you can edit it at any point. You can edit your payment method at any point, and that also includes cancelling your membership. You can do that in this billing section. If for any reason you want to pause, you can of course go back and join as well. And this affiliate PayPal email is if you wish to become an affiliate, if you wish to mention to other people that Inspire is great and that they would like to join, then you can become an affiliate. And that basically means that you will get 25% commission for anybody that joins Inspire using your special link. So you can join that by going to the top right hand navigation, clicking on affiliate, and you can join as an affiliate here. Okay, and you can get all your links for all different products to become somebody that partners with me and promotes Inspire and gets rewarded for doing so. Okay, so that is everything within Inspire. Just a couple last things to go through. Now, if you click on home at any point, this will take you to this main navigation where you'll see everything within Inspire. The top banner will always have our current theme on, and it will also just quickly highlight when the next Zoom sessions are coming up. So you can pop them in your diary, ring-fence them, so you can spend that wonderful time with us. If you have any queries or questions about the membership, if you can't log in, if you have a question on where to find something, please email us. Our email address is learn@susanyates.co.uk, and we will respond within 24 to 48 hours within working days, so normal Monday to Friday. We will be able to help you out. So any queries, please email us. So the only other part of Inspire that you will need is the Facebook group. So if you go to start here, if you scroll down, you will find information on the Facebook group. Here we go, join the Facebook group. So it's part of the welcome video. So you'll always find the link here if you need it. So you can click on that to join the Facebook group. And that's where we can chat and we can share information. And I'll sometimes do some updates in there, although most of the content for Inspire will be here. So Facebook group is optional. It's about accountability, connecting with others, but it is optional. It's a beautiful space for members only. It's very important to me because it's the way I get to know you better and to see you. You can put photos of your sketches there all in one place. So absolutely, please do join the Facebook group if you would like to. And at any point, you can also log out at the top here, click on log out, and that will log you out of the membership portal. And that's where you find everything. So I hope you really enjoy Inspire, enjoy the membership, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.